Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 277 or disconnected error code 277. It's very simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to open your browser and check the connection servers by typing status.roblox. Then open the link, then click on this option right here, and as you can see here, from this page you can check for the operational status of Roblox and their servers. I have all these options operational, and you can also check if you are getting this error because of a server down or something like that. And after checking all these options right here, go back to your desktop and you can reboot your computer by clicking on this icon right here, then restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you can retry again and open Roblox and see if you still have the problem. If you still have the problem, try the next step. And what I recommend doing is running Troubleshooter on your network. And this can be done by going to this icon right here, start icon, then right click on it, then choose Network Connections. Then after opening this page, go down and you can see this option right here, Network Troubleshooter. Just click on it and it will see if there is a problem on your network. As you can see here, I don't have any problems, but if you have problems and this page showed you some solutions, you can try one of them, then try to reopen the game. Now, if you still have the problem, the last thing to do is to uninstall the game, then reinstall it again and try. And you can do that by going back to the start menu and right click on it, then go to apps and features. Then here you should search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, just click on the uninstall option right here. And now in order to reinstall the game, all you have to do is to go to your search and click on Microsoft Store, then search for Roblox and choose Roblox game, then click on get or install. After installing the game, you should try to open it, and in most cases the problem will be fixed. I hope one of these methods work with you and fix your issue. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.